Question: when was the current flag of Canada raised for the first time? A. 1921, B. 1965, C. 1949, D. 1892. The answer is B. 1965. Question: what are the two official languages of Canada? A. In English, B. Speak French and inactive, C. English and French, D. Mandarin and English. The answer is C. English and French. Question: which province has the most bilingual Canadians? A. British Columbia, B. Quebec, C. Ontario, D. Prince Edward Island. The answer is B. Quebec. Question: what is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal, B. Elizabeth Cross, C. Victoria Medals, D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question: where are the Parliament buildings located? A. Toronto, B. Kingston, C. London, D. Ottawa. The answer is D. Ottawa. Question: who proclaimed the amended Constitution of Canada in 1982? A. The Senate, B. Queen Elizabeth II, C. The people of Canada, D. The Prime Minister. The answer is B. Queen Elizabeth II. Question: where is Canada located? A. Central America, B. Europe, C. North America, D. South America. The answer is C. North America. Question: which region covers more than one-third of Canada? A. Northern Territories, B. South Region, C. North Region, D. Southern Territories. The answer is A. Northern Territories. Question: which province is one of the most productive agricultural regions in the world? A. Manitoba, B. Saskatchewan, D. British Columbia, D. Alberta. The answer is B. Saskatchewan. Question: how are members of parliament chosen? A. Elected by senators, B. Elected by the Prime Minister, C. Chosen by the King, D. Elected by Canadian citizens. The answer is D. Elected by Canadian citizens. Question: what forms a jury? A. Politicians, B. Immigrants, C. Judges, D. A jury is made up of citizens. The answer is D. A jury is made up of citizens. Question: what are the Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers together called? A. The Government, B. The Cabinet, C. The House of Commons, D. The Senate. The answer is B. The cabinet. Question. Where do more than half of the people in Canada live? A. Coastal Pacific. B. Atlantic Canada. C. Prairies. D. Central Canada. The answer is D. Central Canada. Question. What is celebrated on the 26th of December? A. Remembrance Day. B. Victoria Day. C. Boxing Day. D. Canada Day. The answer is C. Boxing Day. Question. What are the colors present in the Canadian flag? A. Blue and white. B. Red and white. C. Green and white. D. Red and blue. The answer is B. Red and white. Question. What level of government passes by laws? A. Provincial. B. Municipal or local government. C. Federal. D. Senators. The answer is B. Municipal or local government. Question. When is Canada Day? A. November 5th every year. B. July 1st every year. C. June 30th every year. D. July 31st every year. The answer is B. July 1st every year. Question. What was the name of the new country formed in Confederation? A. Britain. B. Canada. C. Canadian Confederation. D. Dominion of Canada. The answer is D. Dominion of Canada. Question. When is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st. B. October 6th. C. November 11th. D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question. What are the provinces of Central Canada? A. Ontario and Quebec. B. Ontario and Alberta. C. Quebec and New Brunswick. D. Alberta and Saskatchewan. The answer is A. Ontario and Quebec.